I says off stream. That is a sick video. Chat, are we even allowed to watch it on stream? Because they don't get hurt or whatever, but it's pretty scary. It's a really scary video, but they don't get hurt. Actual bank truck heist IRL, dude. Oh no, yeah, there's a multi-view. You guys want to watch a multi-view? 3 cameras? Is this better, chat? Is this better? Guys, nobody gets hurt, right? Because it's like bulletproof or whatever. Holy shit, dude. Dude, actual driving golem.
Coming off that.
Damn, dude. The guy on the right is there's fucking lows.
Coming off that.
Yeah, no shit, you'd be scared, dude. Are you kidding me?
They're gonna shoot. They're gonna fucking shoot.
Holy shit, dude.
Found Robbie. Found Robbie. Found Robbie. Found Josh. Ask him where they are.
Wait, it was his first day? Dude, how is this still going on? That's insane. That they chase them in fucking civilized areas, dude. Jesus, man, that's scary.